previously.
I think back line you take it, Bridging. I free throw like the one there, take it.
Yeah, you can't go with this one.
So watch ya.
We're not bad there with you.
So yeah, cheat all along.
Yeah.
I got defeated in a game of basketball by a person 2 times smaller than me.
No, I put my ball till anyone I will win.
I challenged him to a rematch, but this happened. Oh boy.
I mean, these are
Somehow.
One.
Yep, the camera died, and unfortunately I didn't get to record the rest of the shots that I had to take. But the good thing is that I got the point that I scored, and I got my point, and that's a good thing. The thing I learned on this day is that the race is not for the swift, but it's who can endure. Meaning, you could have a lot of skills. You could be the skilled person, skilled than a person that doesn't have any skills, and you take on that person into a competition, right? And that competition, that person that you take on has more confidence, has a pure heart, and has a mindset not to give up. And that's the thing. It helps you to move on and motivates you to push forward. And that's the good thing. And the skilled person could just might as well have a point in time that give up and just boom. It's like the thing not to do is never to judge a person based on their looks and being their age. That doesn't matter, but it's who can endure right to the end. Yeah. Thank you all, and God bless. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn your post notification bells on so you never miss a next video like this. Thank you, and God bless.
You got to let it go.